So today I tried to do an experiment to install these Apex Performance sway bar links that are adjustable air shock link, and it's intended for Jeep JT, JL, JK. I looked at the specs, thought they were the same length as my Infiniti QX4, but obviously they're a little bit too long. And I thought that there still might be clearance, but turns out you probably would need to. You could still make it work if you modified your strut mount on top. Everything is the right size hole and everything that goes in there. And the problem is we're off by just a little bit, but this is with the sway bar moved down and it's now touching the CV axle. So you can see how much you would need to move your mount up to make it work. And that's beyond what I want to do. So it's probably possible, but I'm going to return these, I think. This seemed like a good option for getting adjustable sway bars on a QX4, since any other option you'd run into interference probably. I think you probably, if it's pretty close back here, I'll try hold it. Pretty close, but everything pushed in, it would not interfere, I don't think. So you can pump these up to 300 psi or down to 0, and it gives you like 2 inches of sway bar travel before it starts engaging anti-sway. So that's that. FYI.